Hello, this is George Urbacek, creator of Bass Lessons Online. In this short video I want to tell you a little about my online e-course, plus I will also show you how you can create your own bass lines using a very simple concept, a concept in fact that any bass player can and even should use. First, to the structure of Bass Lessons Online. When you subscribe to Bass Lessons Online, you get links delivered to 2 bass lessons per week to your inbox. Lessons are systematic, progressive, step by step, and they contain text, audio, photos, tabs, music notation as required. Also, you can download each lesson to your computer so you can actually do it offline anytime you please. So once you've subscribed, the lessons are yours to keep. After you have finished viewing this video, make sure you read everything on this page, which gives you much more info about Bass Lessons Online. Then simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the link and you'll receive your first lesson within minutes. Okay, now on to the mini lesson. We'll look at how you can very simply build your own bass lines and also recognize other well-known bass lines by adding fifths to chord roots. You don't even need to know what that means right now. I'll guide you through the lesson as we go along. Let's start with a common chord progression. You may have heard this, you should have heard this many times before in different configurations. We'll start on the note E, which is 7th fret on the A string, then we'll go to D, 5th fret A string, then C, 3rd fret, and B, the 2nd fret of the A string. So what we'll do first of all, let's say they are the chord roots and the chord progression goes E, D, C, B. What we'll do first of all, nice slow tempo, we'll play 2 beats per bar, so we'll play in a 4/4 time signature, we'll play the 1st and the 3rd beat. So let's just set it up very fundamentally first. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4, and B, 2, 3, 4, and again. E, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. B, 2, 3, 4. Now all we need to do is add the 5th, which is 2 frets apart and going to the neighbouring string, to the neighbouring upper pitch string. You can use the 1st finger and the 4th finger, 1st and 3rd if you wish to make that stretch. I like to play comfortably in these lower positions using the 1st and 4th finger. So the 5th is simply there, 2 frets to the right on a right-handed bass and go to the neighbouring higher pitch string. Now I'm going to play the root note on beat 1, the E, D, C, B, and the 5th on beat 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. 2, 3, 4. D, and it's 5th. C, and the 5th. B, and the 5th. Let's add a very simple rock rhythm to that now. Let's go boom, 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 boom. So now we'll go root 5, 5, and then maybe on the second pass I'll go root, root 5. Let's try that. And the other way around. Okay, now the 5th of each chord can also be played on the same fret as the root note going to the lower pitch neighbouring string. Let's have a look at that same rhythm and note application. That's root 5, 5 and root 5 going through 2 passes again. Here we go. do. So that was still basically using the simple rock rhythm, even without looking at more rhythmic events and different feels and so forth. So take that on board and try it out in as many ways as you like and can. So come up with your own permutations of that. Experiment a lot and you'll come up with some great sounding bass lines simply using the root note and the fifth. Okay, that's it for this mini lesson. Remember, if you want to subscribe to a complete course of bass lessons online, just read the text on this page. It's not all that long. Go down to the bottom, click one of the links of the lesson packs that best suits you, to beginner to intermediate or intermediate to advanced, and you'll get your first lesson within a few minutes. Okay, enjoy. Bye.